Welcome to Country Lane, where we want you to get outdoors more. I'm Jason, and today we're going to talk about our optional screen package here for our gazebos. Here you will find an aluminum screen door for both our wood and vinyl gazebos. Depending on the color of your gazebo, you will get the door that complements or matches your gazebo. Our screens are made of fiberglass for flexibility and strength and to give a clear view of the outdoors. Screens are installed on the inside of your gazebo so you are fully protected from the bugs. If you get either a pagoda roof or cupola, you will also receive additional screens to cover those openings. Your screen package includes the aluminum screen panels, one screen door, trim strips, and all the necessary hardware needed to install your screens. Adding a screened-in gazebo to your yard makes for comfortable living and will provide protection from pests while you enjoy the outdoors more. Country Lane Gazebos, where we want you to be outdoors more.